Hello everyone, my name is Ulises. We are talking about analysis del circuito timer CN555. This timer, as we can see, we will talking about the mission. The circuit was armade or was made in classes a few days before, and we will see topics like previous knowledge and basic principles. What is it? What it does it? Analysis of the circuits, show view, and conclusions. Okay, first of all, previous knowledge. What is the previous knowledge and why I put this first of all? Because we need know what is each part of the circuit. For example, we have components, we have nodes, we have range, mesh, drivers, and classification of the circuit and the parts of the circuit. For example, type of signal, regiments, components, and configurations. For example, node is a point of the circuit where more than two drivers, and driver is like a cable that you use when you connected all the components. The components is the things that you use in your circuit. In all the components, in all the nodes, in all the drivers and mesh, circulated a charge. This charge is the energy that you use with your mesh. Then the theories and basic principles. We have three fundamental laws and principles, because Kirchhoff was the searcher that says the sum of the current entering through a node must be equal to the sum of the current that flow through a node. Basically, it's this. In this example, we have E2 and E3 is equal to E1 and E4. That's it. 2. Law of tension of Kirchhoff. The sum of the tension in a loop must be 0. Oh, this is the same example. We have a voltage V4 is equal to voltage that pass into the resistance 1, like this. This is the resistance 1. Is V4 is equal V1 plus V2 plus V3 in this example. And Ohm's law. The tension on the resistance is equal to the produce of the value set resistance by the current that flows through. This is the basic and the base, the all of thing and the principle of the electronics. Says intensity is equal to voltage divided by resistance. This is the formula. We have what is a circuit. Circuit is a component. Circuit is a set of components that are connected between themselves and must be in parallel, in series or mixed, and also flows a lot between them. Like this. This is a series, this is a parallel, and this is a mixed. But this is a circuit integrate. What is a circuit integrate? Is like this, like or 555. We have analysis of the circuit. My circuit that I have made in class is this. This is a program Coco Drive. We made this in my home, and then I constructed or I have made this in physics. This is example. This is a video I will recording. I am going to record in this video. because I need to explain it better. I know that my English is so bad, teacher, but it's okay. For me, I need that you understand me all. As we can see, we have two diodes. Is the first diode red, diode green. My resistance variable. This is my CN555. My voltage, my resistance. And this is demonstration 2. But in physics, we have the circuit in a protoboard, and we can use the voltmeter. This is my resistance variable, my CN555. And as we can see, if I move this, if I move the level of my potentiometer, the velocity of the changes of the diodes is more fast or more less or more slow. So this function of my CN555 is according of the current that pass in my capacitor, because my capacitor is charged and discharged, and he send the signal into my CN555, and that's it. My conclusion is this circuit is connected between all the components. We have 8 components, we have 5 nodes, we have 3 mesh, and all the circuit is a circuit closed because we have positive and negative, and the voltage circulating in all the circuit with the same. In some parts is not the same, but the, I don't know how to say, la salida is equal to the, es igual a la entrada.